Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. This is the first time the guys over in the clay. It's a bit slushy earlier, but we got a nice dry patch so everybody can practice some jumping. And so far, so good. Having some fun. Everybody should get out and just play. Is the main thing. Like, so Gerard doing his second jump. Now the key to jumping is getting that front end up.
I need to learn how to jump start a bike.
Alright, here he goes. Get your front end up! Whoa! He's getting a hang of this one. Alright, take it away. Let me see what you got. Okay, now we're gonna see what the funky Jamaicans got. Keep your front end up! Front end up! Whoa! Wow. No, that was fantastic. Just a little bit of practice and that's all you really want. But as I say all the time, do not get a bike that's more than you. Get a bike that you can handle and that you could control. So the fun factor is very, very, very high. If you have your 200 and you want to do 5. Brilliant bikes, just have some fun on. That was a lot better, huh? Nice. Alright, best of the 3. You got another run.
Alright.
Alright, he's going for the 3rd run. This one should be some fun. Hold on, one was just now. Whoa! Boom! Sweet. You're going the best of the 3. Last run, let me go. Yeah!
That can't be the best one. I gotta do one more.
Alright, you heard him. He's going for one more jump. He said the last one wasn't as good. He got to finish on a high. So let's see what he's got. Front end up! Whoa! Now that is some fun. This is the first time the crazy Jamaican's ever lift off and he's doing a fantastic job. Gerard, good work, man. Beautiful. How was that for first jumps?
Awesome. Motocross for life. Oh,
Flipping off, always give it out. Oh, of adrenaline, huh?
that last one was like, oh shit.
I landed fairly far though, innit?
Yeah. You all the way across and then right up the hill.
You have a nice sweeping line.
Yo, I was saying, yo, crazy Jamaican going clear now, boy. I hear the gas coming on.
Yeah, alright, get on the feet. Come on. can't be a pussy.
So the more speed, the better jump it get.
Well, it depends on the gap. If you're going for a big gap, more speed, small gap.
Change the line.
Yeah, yeah.
I'm looking at where I'm sitting. Like, this feels like a nice line right here. Just that where I'm going to end up.
You're gonna end up
Right here is a nice.
up there.
Oh,
You dig it out.
I landed far from that though.
I land